Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate it. Yeah, it's way easier. I mean, it's not like way easier, but it's just...
There we go.
Yeah, it totally does cut over that line, doesn't it?
Yep. Not a shit was given. I censored myself there.
I don't know how to say that the off-camera joke is better.
If you know the song, good for you.
Yes.
All right, we are coming up on one of my most stressful roundabouts.
Yeah, this is a terrifying one.
Yes.
The beta hasn't really perfected this one just yet.
No. Well, it is kind of like there are a lot of accidents.
There's a lot going on in this one. I'll give you that. Multiple lanes.
I think we needed to be in the other one, in the other lane. We did, so. Because we're going right through it. So I'm going to take over there.
Oh, you're going straight through it.
We're going to go. Because if it had chosen the left lane, we wouldn't have been able to exit.
Yeah, we wouldn't have been able to continue straight on this road.
So yes, I did take over through the roundabout because it wasn't engaging, so we're going to give it a chance. Around this corner, try again. There we go. It is not happy back there.
It's pissed. It does not like that roundabout. I've said that before.
You up?
Yep. Oh, I see it.
Too late now.
Yeah, seriously. Whoa, there it goes. Plunk. Well said.
Well said. I'm sorry, well said.
I'm sorry for my affinities. Man, it really is windy up there.
I don't have to watch that movie with my kids this year. Because I don't have freshmen now.
Castaway?
Yeah, remember last year we watched it?
Well, I know you, yes, but I didn't realize that.
Because I don't have freshmen this year.
Interesting.
That was a good turn.
Not a bad left.
Can I put my visor down just a little bit?
Yeah.
That's because I was getting the glare. Your window's too clean. You up? You good?
Yeah, I see it.
I don't think we've driven this road before. At least I haven't. You may have done it on a solo drive, but not with me. I mean, we've driven this area, but not this road. when Tesla rises up against us, the machines will sing the "Do you hear the people sing?" That song.
Definitely. Actually, this will get me in. This will get me in trouble on X, but I'm going to say it anyway. It'll be Elon Musk's song, the one that he recorded in the studio, going, "Don't doubt your vibe."
Oh my god, I forgot that he recorded a song.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that part of my brain just blocked that out.
There's a reason that you did. There's a reason. It will come back around. All of this
When you
does.
played that song for me, and I was like, what is this?
All of this comes back around. You know it does.
Right?
Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I am Gray Shut Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and we both greatly appreciate it.
I think I'm going to turn right instead of left.
Yeah, no worries.
Empty street. There we go. I think I can turn here.
Yeah, go ahead.